Problem 6 is asking us to use the data and your graphing calculator to answer the questions below. And you're given a table that summarizes the information about a convenience store manager noticing that sales of soft drinks are higher on hotter days, so he assembles the data in the table. What you need to do is you need to hit Stat, Enter on your graphing calculator, and enter the X values into L1 and the Y values into L2. Once you have that done, you're going to hit Stat, arrow over to Calc, and hit 4, and then you're going to hit Enter repeatedly until you get your linear regression. And you should end up getting information that helps you write the equation y equals 16.416x minus 621.826. The directions tell you to round to the nearest thousandth. We're not dropping any sig figs here because the decimals help us get a more accurate prediction. Part B is asking us to interpret the slope. And what it's saying here is that slope, which is y over x, is the number of cans sold, which is 16.416 for every 1 degree Fahrenheit increase in temperature, which makes sense. As temperature goes up, the cans are going up. Part C is asking us to interpret the y-intercept. The y-intercept is negative 621.826. So we really can't have a negative number of cans, but what this is saying is that theoretically, at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, you would sell negative 621.416 cans. Since you can't sell a negative amount of cans, that's not really great, but it's just the theory. So then part D is asking us to predict at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, which we know is an X value, what would your number of cans be? So we substitute that in to the equation, and we plug and chug, and we get about 938 cans. Okay, so then part E is asking us if it was 95 cans, which is a Y, what would the temperature be? So you substitute 95 in for Y, and we're going to solve for X by plugging and chugging. You can use your calculator for that, and you get that the temperature is around 44 degrees Fahrenheit.